powered by a 3.2-liter V6 engine. With a 6-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle, with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 20 miles per gallon. This Audi features alloy wheels, leather seats, and premium package. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include rain-sensing wipers, xenon headlights, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
There are 300+ reasons the Audi certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts its certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support. Audi certified cars, performance and peace of mind.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.